Hi, this is Kevin from Jenkins CPA. I wanted to tell you about 5 ways you can file your taxes. There are 2 basic tiers of tax preparation. There's do-it-yourself free tax preparation, and then there's someone you pay. So there are 3 options that I like to emphasize in the free arena. First of all is you can self-prepare on a paper document. It's pretty easy. If you have a couple of W-2s, all you need is a Form 1040-EZ. If you move into a little bit more complicated situation, there's some better options out there. First one, I always like to suggest anything that's free and can save some money for the clients and the taxpayers of the world. There's something called the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Clinic. A lot of universities will have an office where student preparers get an opportunity to actually prepare a live tax return that's sponsored by the Internal Revenue Service. And if you have an income up to $54,000 a year and meet a few other guidelines, you can get your taxes prepared free of charge. They're reviewed by graduate assistants or professors at the university, so you have a high degree of confidence that your tax return is correctly prepared, and again, at no cost to you. Another option is the Free File Alliance. If you just Google Free File Alliance, it'll take you to a link to their website, and it's another partnership with the Internal Revenue Service to provide free e-filing and tax preparation software to taxpayers with an income of less than $64,000. You can use that. If you don't have anything too complicated, a business of your own or anything like that, it's a good solution. So if you meet their requirements, you can log into the website, enter all of your tax information, and prepare and e-file your return yourself. If the 3 free options don't sound exactly like what you're looking for, there are 3 more paid options that might be a good fit. You can get a tax software, TurboTax, something like that, and it has an interview-based software. So it'll ask you questions about your life and your year to try to identify what things you need to complete and anything that'll be to your advantage. This is a good option for a lot of taxpayers. It's one of the things that if you're pretty comfortable with your own taxes and you're familiar with what you need to be doing, nothing's changed much from prior years, it can be a good option. If you decide that you'd like to talk to a real person, there's some more options. You can go on from there. Next thing I would be aware of is national chains, kind of the H&R Blocks of the world. They're tax preparation only kind of places. You see it pop up in Walmart or in strip malls. When tax season comes around, there's usually a lot of advertising with these kind of places. They can be good if you just don't want to prepare your own tax return. They'll have people who have some training that you can work through, and they'll prepare your forms for you. Or you could go to a local CPA. It'll commonly be less costly than a national chain, something like an H&R Block that you might think of. And you get someone who year-round is available if you have any problems you need, assistance with a letter you receive from the IRS, if there's an audit, any of those kind of problems. Your local CPA is always there and is available to help. Thank you for your time today. Again, I'm Kevin Wise from Jenkins CPA, and have a great day.